Kailangan ko ng bagong content sa Patreon. Char. Char lang. 77 viewers. Hello, 77 viewers. Ayan, 79 viewers. Yan. It's me, Kerslyn Channel. I'm from Philippines. Yan, if you want to follow me, just click the subscribe button. Yan, button. And notification bell. Yan. So, sticker, super chat, super thanks, super sticker. It's available in my comment section. $79 viewers. Like nobody else to heat up summer sunshine. I miss you. Yan. Hello, 87 viewers. Yan na, 109 viewers. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na yung aking viewers. Ayan. Viewers. Char. Oh. Antok. So, mag-live ako dito ng mga 1 oras mahigit. Yun. Tapos, after nun, iwanan ko uli siya. Tapos, balik uli ako, guys. Don't worry, babalik ako uli. Takes time. Ang ingay ng aking family member. So, ingay ng mga bata. Ayan. Hello, 90 viewers. Payak na payak tong mga to. Nangangalay na ako, guys. Try ko. Nangangalay na ako. So, ayan. 100 viewers. Hello, 100 viewers. May nagko-comment ba? Parang wala naman nagko-comment. Meron. Beautiful, lovely. Sundar Lal Sewag. Shout out, Sundar Lal Sewag. The heat of summer sunshine, I miss you like nobody else. Ayun na, shoutout na 97 viewers, 117 viewers, hello 117 viewers. So parang mas maganda naman nga siguro kapag konti ang viewers sa umpisa, and then pataas siya ng pataas, hanggang patagalan lang. Kasi hindi na nangyayari. Char. Is that a chocolate stick? Yes. Chocolate stick white wafer. Wafer biscuit. That's a biscuit. Stick size. Well, wafer stick. It's a wafer stick. Yeah, 109 viewers. Shout out 109 viewers.